Happy October 3rd, if you know what that means. It's a Mean Girls reference. Love that movie. Happy Mean Girls Day. But today's video is going to be my fall transition into Halloween spooky decor. Again, I want to say that this isn't exactly how I would imagine my place to be if I had more storage, but right now the storage is super low in my studio apartment. So I'm going to work with what I got and then just transition here and there a little bit. I really would take a lot more of the fall decor away and then just go like full spooky with, you know, black candelabras, more spider webs and stuff like that. Just, I don't have space to create the ambience that I want. So I'm just working with what I got, and hopefully it inspires you to work with what you got in your small space. So let's get started and get spooky. Oh yeah, I have my Sanderson sister shirt on. I was gonna wear my skeleton onesie, but somehow it got lost in the night. Literally had it 1 minute, the next, it's poof, gone. So I take out my Halloween box. Stormy is super excited to start decorating with me, and I start transitioning. So I put in my spooky decor. I put up some purple lights as well. I love this pumpkin. I got it from CVS a few years ago. There's like these juicy spiders crawling up the side of it, and I think it's so spooky, and I love it. And then I have this poster that I collaborated with an Etsy store a few years ago, actually. I wanted like this cool piece of art that encompassed Halloween Town because I basically want to live there. So you have Benny in the taxi, you have Grandma Cromwell near the town pumpkin in the town square with the bus in the bus stop, and I just think it's so cozy looking and I love having it up. So I just put it over here on top of my heater and just look at it every now and then. So I go over to my corner of my door where I have this little shelf here, and I have these like fairy bat twinkle lights. I don't really love them, but I'm just going to use them because I have them and I can't spend any extra money. And then I put up this corner cobweb that my aunt made me, and I think it's really cute looking. It's made out of wire. It's homemade. I love homemade looking pieces. It's unique. No one else really has it. And I put that witch's hat up in the corner just to make it kind of look like spooky looking, I guess. And I like it. I mean, again, it's not, I just feel like my decor would be more on point if I just had so much more storage so I can really like make things pop. But I put this skull on the bedside of my table. I think it's cool looking. I set the mood with the fireplace, and now I'm turning over that fall pumpkin into the jack-o'-lantern sign because I think the jack-o'-lantern sign obviously represents more Halloween and it has all these cool faces. Now I'm going to clean my table with this Acorn Spice Miss Meyers cleaning spray. I love this. It's very spicy and it just does the trick even on this type of surface. So I just will wipe everything down, make sure that's all clean before I start decorating on top of here. And it really does get up the grime that I want, so that's nice. I put my little table tray on here, and I just go ahead and decorate it away. I got this Hocus Pocus book a few years ago, I think in 2015 from an Etsy store, and I think it's so realistic looking. It's one of my favorite pieces of decor. I take these little books from Michael's that I got also a few years ago. Everything's from a few years ago. And I put this cute little skull on top just to add some dimension to the table. And then I put all my remotes back onto the coffee table tray. That dang gamer remote is so bulky, but I love the way that my table kind of looks. It's very spooky, and when the candle's lit at night, it just brings everything together, and I love it. This candle is so good, and look how cute that labeling is. I gotta talk about this later, but I love that candle. And then I just wanted to give you guys more of a closer up look of the book because I think all the details on here is pretty amazing. Look at that eyeball. Like, how creepy is that? And then the hand to open up the side of the book. And then all the little stitchings on there, the way the pages look. Those aren't pages, that's just a box. And then just the siding with the snake. I think it looks so cool. And then inside you can just store whatever you really want. Put your movies in there, whatever you want to do. But I thought it was really cute. Now I'm going to light my candle just to add a nice little Halloween smell as I continue to decorate. This candle is very unique and really cool. I can't wait to talk about it. So then over here, I don't really love the way that this looked. I just felt like this needed some light for when I watch movies at night because I really like to light things up, but I think it looks too crowded. But I'll change that when this video is over. So in the meantime, I'm just going to add these little candy corns. These are really cute. I got those from HomeGoods, and I think I saw them again this year, and I just like to hang them. I would put them, if I had a fireplace that wasn't, so low, I would probably put them over the mantle there. But for now, the basket will do. And I just put my little throw blanket on top and just make it look cute and cozy over here. And then I'm going to take this lantern away and add my pumpkin lantern to it. And voila, that is finished. And oh, yes, I am currently wax warming this pumpkin carving by the fire. It's so good. It smells so, so good. And now I'm going to take my dish towel and swap that out with my Halloween dish towel. That also reminds me of Halloween Town because those pumpkins are so cute. I got these little sticky bats this year. I really should actually use all of them and just do a whole wall. That'd be so cool. But for now, I'm just going to put them on my refrigerator because I don't have much time to do any more decorating and I want to get this video up. But I decorate throughout the year, you know, if I find things, I put things up. But I loved how easy and convenient these were, and I thought this added like a cute little extra something to your kitchen, refrigerator, whatever you want to do. Put it on a huge accent wall. That'd be awesome. Now I'm going to go in and grab my candy corn and candy pumpkins because I don't really eat this throughout the season. I might grab a handful, but I always think it's a great tradition to put in a cute little dish like this that I got from C's Candy and just, you know, have it out for people who do like candy corn. Again, I don't not hate it. I just, you know, it's not my favorite. Like, I don't want to eat a whole bag of it. But I definitely have to have at least a handful because it is very nostalgic Halloween to me. And I think these little 3D pumpkins are adorable. Who likes candy corn? Let me know. I think they're so cute looking, though. It's very, very nostalgic Halloween. So I put the lid on that, and that's complete, and I'll put that out. Now I'm putting out my Sanderson sisters. I love these adorable little dolls. This is Sarah Sanderson, and I want to just give you a close-up look of each doll. There's Mary there. I got these, I think, from an Etsy shop as well. And then we have Winifred here. I just think they turned out so cute. Now for my bed, this is what fall looked like. And now I'm transitioning it over. So I just take those pumpkins and I flip them around to the jack-o'-lantern side. And I'm just going to start hanging these up. It's a little difficult to keep these up without taping them. But, you know, I'm working with what I got. Things are falling everywhere. It's all the process of decorating. It's all fun. Currently, I'm playing my Halloween playlist while I decorate. If you haven't seen that video that I did, I will link it up below or above. And, oh, here are these cute little ghosties I got this year. This is like the one Halloween decor that I got this year from Home Goods, and I just wanted to add them to this other pumpkin garland. But yeah, back to the playlist. It's a super fun playlist. I love listening to Halloween music. So let me know what your favorite Halloween song is down below. I have so many. Christina Aguilera actually came out with a really good one this year called Haunted Heart. So go listen to that. I put this spider web up, just make it kind of look spookier. And this is what the background of my videos are going to look like from now on. So I hope you guys like it. And I'm just going to make my bed. I thought it was a little too white, so I added this dark purple grayish colored cover just to add a little more, you know, color to the room. And I have this Bath & Body Works wallflower plug. I don't use wallflowers usually, but I thought this one was too cute to pass up last year. I just think it looks so spooky and it adds to the room that you want to decorate in. Alright, everything is decorated. Time to watch some scary movies, eat some popcorn. What are you guys doing tonight for your Halloween festivities? Let me know down below. I'm gonna go film a Halloween candle wax haul, so be sure to stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna rush my Halloween season just to get Halloween content out there, but I'm definitely gonna get it to you guys, so don't worry. Stay subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Happy kail-o-ween!